Presentation will demonstrate how to read a monthly budget and/or appropriation account summary, which is a skill that school administrators must accomplish. Every state employs a universal chart of accounts that serves as the foundation for school district record keeping. This chart of accounts clarifies the accounting procedures, whether receipting revenue or classifying expenditures by code. Revenue and expenditure transactions dictate a standard structure with a combination of multidimensional codes. To understand your specific state chart of accounts, you should familiarize yourself with the codes. For the purpose of this presentation, Ohio's Uniform School Accounting System will be shown. Based on Ohio's Uniform School Accounting System, this table illustrates the account code string for an expenditure originated from restricted revenue, Title I, Part A, and assigned to the 572 Special Revenue Fund. This line item receipts dollars for the 1270 instruction function. Further, this line item receipts this 111 object for certified employees' salary. The Special Cost Center SCC dimension is a federal Title I program activity with this 9060 code assigned by the district. In the next number, the Ohio Department of Education assigns the first two digits that describe the subject area, SA, and the last four digits that define the subject, S. This 400000 code represents Title I. The operational unit, OU, denotes the location of services. In this instance, the elementary school with a 001 code assigned by the district. The instructional level, IL code, is for the grade level. For this example, expended services were coded 03, meaning this activity occurred in grade 3. The job assignment, JA, identifies staff members' duties. The Ohio Department of Education creates and defines this 125 code. This slide shows a monthly appropriation account summary for a school administrator who must be able to read and interpret effectively these counts. In particular, this page is one of a number of pages for a high school principal. Look at this row where you can see the account code dimensions, line item description, appropriated amount fiscal year to date, carryover amount from the previous appropriation, fiscal year expendable, or the amount that may be spent in the fiscal year, actual expenditures year to date, current encumbrances year to date, or items with an active purchase order that has not been delivered to the district nor paid, the unencumbered balance fiscal year to date, or the amount that may be spent, and the fiscal year percent that has been spent to date. This account line is for equipment repair with the code 001 representing a general fund account. 1100 denotes a regular instruction function, and the object number 423 illustrates repairs and maintenance. For this line item, there are no special cost center nor subject code. The 15 operational unit code indicates that the location of service is the high school, and there are no instructional level nor job assignment codes, as this line item may be used anywhere at the high school. This line item has $2,000 appropriated year to date for spending, with no carryover from the previous appropriation. The expendable amount, therefore, is $2,000, and 0% has been spent. Now look at the instruction equipment line which is coded from the 003 Permanent Improvement Fund, meaning that the district has an active permanent improvement levy for these funds. The 1100 function is for instruction, and the 640 object code represents a capital outlay expense. Note that $22,595 was appropriated and $24,545 has been expended to date. Therefore, this line item is overdrawn by $1,950, representing 108.63% spent. Before this fiscal year ends, this account line must be balanced. Now look at other line items. The scholarship line item is coded to the Fiduciary Trust Fund, or 007 fund account, with the district as the custodian of the private purpose fund trust. The 1990 function code indicates the scholarship is not defined for instruction. The 881 object code means college scholarships. This line has $5,000 appropriated from a trust that a person bequeathed to the district, with $2,500 expended to date for 50% spent. The principal's fund code 018 represents public school support. The 2421 function code is for the principal's office, and the 882 object code is for awards. The Honor Society and Drama Club supplies fund code 200 demarks fiduciary funds for student-managed activities. The Honor Society 4610 function refers to student government, whereas the 4113 function is for drama. Both of these account lines have more money expended than appropriated. Thus, the club advisors will need to have fundraisers to balance these accounts, or the principal or treasurer will need to transfer funds from another line into these accounts. Be advised that no line item is permitted to end the fiscal year in the red. The 300 Special Revenue Fund for Athletics is a district-managed student activity. Take special note that this account carried over $2,935 from the previous year, and $118,365 was appropriated, with $121,300 expended. The fiscal year to date actual expenses has been $93,078, with $5,836.90 currently encumbered, leaving $16,385.03 as unencumbered. Therefore, 87.5% of the appropriated amount has been spent. Depending on the time of the year, the coaches, athletic director, and principal must keep an eye on ticket revenue and upcoming expenses. In a number of cases, the treasurer may need to transfer funds from another general fund account. However, that recommendation must be approved by the school board. The 466 Special Revenue Fund for the Straight A grant line item refers to a state entitlement grant. The 3411 code represents regular instruction function, and the 439 object code is for transportation to meetings. These figures will reflect the district application budget page. The IDEA Part B supply line 599 fund indicates a special revenue fund from a federal entitlement grant. The $3,243.33 is the amount that the district assigned the high school from that particular federal grant. The 1100 code is the instruction function, with the 500 code for supplies. Among many other tasks, the school principal must be able to read and interpret their state's account code string effectively for the accounts he or she supervises. On the other hand, the school treasurer and other employees in the accounting department must be well versed in these account codes to assign revenue and develop the appropriation measure. This concludes the presentation on reading a monthly budget and/or appropriation account summary.